1 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 10 chopped green chilies, green coriander for garnishing, 250 grams sliced tomatoes, 1 kg mutton, 750 grams sliced onion, whole garam masala, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Heat oil in a cooker. Add whole garam masala. Add garlic, ginger, and fry it for few minutes. Now add onions, tomatoes, chopped green chilies. Now add meat and salt and mix it well. Add little water and close the lid and cook up to 6 whistles. Open the lid and simmer it for some time. Close the lid and take 2 more whistles. Your mutton stew is ready to serve.